Hey, how's it? Phil Spencer, the Cuisinator Menage, the household chef. I spent 20 years living in Hawaii, so I decided on a little ocean backdrop today. Now, it's not the Pacific, but it is an ocean. What do I miss most about living in Hawaii? The food. Amazing food, amazing cuisine there. So today I'm going to make probably, well, it is the most popular side dish to the most popular meal in Hawaii, which is the plate lunch. What is that side dish? Mac salad. So let's get started with some local kind grinds. A very simple mise en place are what's needed to make this dish here. The only cooking is to cook the macaroni. The rest is just mixing it in. It's very, very simple. So like I said, just a very simple dish to make, to mix all the ingredients together. The milk will add a creaminess to it that makes it just amazing. So what you need to do is cover it with some plastic wrap or some foil, keep it in the fridge for about an hour, serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.